Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this. Yeah, me I say people, come like them people are mad or something. I never know who motivate them, what drive them, what lift up them spirit for do all them foolishness there. But what kind of back of flinging off Aidonia, what kind of thing that people? The man visiting the country, send kids and all our vibes monks, you know. Glass buckle or plastic buckle or not. No buckle never fling off of the artist. You see me I say, people them need to hold out them energy. Come here one man a ball out, but them want signature and them want this and that and rate. But when you check good people, we are yard people, we are Jamaican, a Jenna thing. You might weird level, you see me and say cause something right about the crowd. You might check right there and then boom. The buckle that fly across, girl everybody who they take picture paparazzi and fans of your duck, everybody of your duck. Zin? So watch this now people. Remember the man have him family in it. See me and say him family send him out there and I say right then him go do the work. Imagine him come back home or him wife get a call or him you get a call and I say, boy I know say your father face bust up and thing and you know what I mean? When you tell the level remember he's a guest in the country, so you're supposed to treat him like a guest. You over so me I say people, them not supposed to deal with the man like. Then when you check the levels, these people who are book our artists and I call them for coming to them country, them need to provide proper security for our artists. They say me I say, yeah man I scratch bandit that you know. I want to tell them what day the man goes so boom bang and say Breezy. Come like a bad mind and kill them. Should the man come from Jamaica, the island, you see me and say alone Breezy down here. The man fresh, I want to them fabric soft now. I want to bad mind. Me not like them thing you know, cause me a prove myself, you know. Yeah man, me a the grizzly bear so when time I reach certain level, I see him so bad mind I want to deal with me. All them thing I teach me, I make me know exactly what to look out for out there in the world. You see me I say, so I have to flip on my P's and Q's. So down here, yeah man, you have to just go and look out of your eye them car. You know what I mean? The arc them out there for eat up your flesh. Arc and spit by your body when they lie down on the asphalt. So you have to just look out for them. Zane, send kids me disappointed and you know people. You see what I say? Yeah man, me just a say. So people, make me know you know. Tell me how you feel about the situation car. The normal. Want to tell me. Like, share and comment. You hear me talk.
Watch it! Watch it!
So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Vybz TV, and I'm out.
Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this, Bear Vybz in this.